This video right here, I've already installed the battery. This is for the owner. Here's my starting fluid trick, which we discussed. I have not done anything with the case at all. Your intake for your carburetor is right here. We both know that this hasn't been started in a long time. So what I'm going to do, and you have about, I'd say about, I don't know, 15 or 20 seconds while you get a small cloud of this. And you only give it a real 1 or 2 second shot. But what the starting fluid does, it really saves on your battery, especially in a cold start situation where it hasn't been run for months, or great on lawnmowers or everything else. So what I'm going to do is give this a squirt real quick, put the camera down, grab the brake and the starter button and see what happens. Now remember, Steve, this has not been started since, well, last time you started it, whenever that was. So let's see if this starting fluid thing works. Give it a just, that's all you need right there. You got about 20 seconds. Doesn't seem to want to work. Maybe it's this one. Wait. Let me give it a little bit more. See what's going to happen here. Just a tad. See if that does anything. Okay. Well, I'm going to get some shoes on and try a Kickstarter, because maybe the battery isn't up to where it should be. We'll see. That's just the first blush. And I'm going to get a shoe and kickstart this, see what's going to happen.